Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel.
Hi friends, today let us gain knowledge on test planning. If you did not watch the previous videos on test planning or STLC introduction, please watch the videos. The video links are available in the iCard section. So that you can get a clear knowledge on test planning. Friends, today we are going to look into the 10th attribute, that is defect tracking. Friends, when testers start testing, we'll find the issues. That issues had to be updated to the developers. When developers fix the issues, and they had to update the testers for retesting. To happen this process, we are using a defect tracking tool. Though you are a manual tester, you have to work on a tool that is Redmine or Bugzilla or Jira. Agile projects, they are going to work on the Jira. Through this, what are the issues we found is to update in this tool, which have ID, one subject line, the steps to be executed. That means what are the steps we have followed to produce that issue. And also we are attaching some screenshots, video recording and log file as a evidence of the issues, so that developers can check the issue and they will know how to reproduce the issue and fix the issue, and is to update on the defect tracking tool so the testers start retesting it. This process continues recursively through defect tracking tool. Friends, 11th attribute is test environment. Test environment is also called as test bed. When you are working on a test device, when you are testing a test device or application, it should be maintained in one environment and test. For example, if you take the hybrid setup boxes, if you need TV to test, to connect the hybrid setup box to a TV, you need a HDMI cable, and the hybrid setup box need a power supply. So this is the environment to test the hybrid setup box. And also you have to connect to the internet to check the YouTube or third-party application setup box. There are two ways to connect internet. One is to Ethernet cable and one is Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi and Ethernet cable should be available at the hybrid setup boxes. This is all the environment. First we have to set up the environment and then we should start the test. So this is called as test bed. Friends, the 12th attribute is entry and exit criteria. As we discussed in STLC and STLC, every phase will have entry and exit criteria. Entry criteria means if you got that condition, got that available resources, then only the phase has to start. To close that phase, we should meet the exit criteria. In testing, first of all we do with component testing. So for the entry criteria is the unit testing for the component should be completed, and we should have some component test cases. The exit criteria is test case should be executed. You should not find a test case should be executed. Next, integration testing. For this, entry criteria is integration test cases should be needed, and the components which were involved in integration, they should complete their componenting and there should be no blocker issue in them. So once the integration testing is initiated, to complete of the exit criteria, to complete that testing is all the integration test cases should be executed. And next is system testing. The entry criteria to start the system testing is integration testing should be completed, component testing should be completed, the system testing test cases should be available. And to close the system testing, the exit criteria is all the test cases should be executed and there should be no blocker issue promoting to the next user acceptance testing. So friends, by this we can say entry criteria means is a condition to start a testing and exit criteria is the condition to close that testing. Friends, to learn or gain knowledge on remaining 3 attributes, please subscribe to our channel.
Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.